Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your chatbots with ManyChat, complete guide step by step clearly. To secure your chatbots with ManyChat, begin by logging into your ManyChat account. Navigate to the settings menu located in the lower left corner of the interface. Select the security tab from the list of options. Enable two-factor authentication for added account security. This step requires a secondary verification method, such as a mobile app or SMS code. Next, review your user roles and permissions. Remove any users who no longer need access to your chatbot. For those who need access, ensure they have the correct permissions based on their roles. Now focus on your API key and secret. Never share these sensitive credentials publicly. Rotate your API keys regularly to reduce the risk of unauthorized access. Next, review your bot flows for vulnerabilities. Ensure that all user inputs are validated to prevent malicious data entry. Add keywords to filter unwanted interactions and enhance the user experience. Enable blocking for specific users if necessary. This feature is useful for preventing spam or abusive behavior. Consider setting up automatic responses for common inquiries. This not only improves user experience but also helps in managing incoming traffic. Monitor your chatbot analytics to identify unusual patterns or spikes in activity. Responding quickly to suspicious behavior can mitigate potential risks. Regularly update your chatbot to include new security features and fixes. Familiarize yourself with ManyChat's community guidelines and best practices. Encourage your team to stay informed about the latest security measures. Finally, always have a backup plan in place. Regularly export your chatbot data to ensure you have recovery options readily available. Following these steps will help you secure your chatbots effectively with ManyChat. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.